The contractors and tradesmen were the core part of our business, the most important part of our business, and we wanted to make sure we were investing time and energy to make sure they had the best possible experience. So the TradeMaster program is something we put together specifically for trade professionals to really make sure that we go above and beyond and give the best possible service to them. The benefits for the TradeMaster program include free shipping on every order, free returns, lower pricing, and then we just started a new dedicated phone line.
Now they have this designated group of individuals who our one job is to make sure that you're satisfied at the end of the day.
We want them to really feel good about the fact that they are trade masters and should be appreciated for the work that they do.
That's our goal, is always to help you and always to be on your side as a trade master in whatever means we can do that.